Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the OPPO Find X8. Alright, so we need to open up our WhatsApp, and once we are here we need to tap on those three dots in the top right corner, and now we can get into the settings. Now scroll down a little bit, click on the chats, scroll again, click on chat backup, and now under the Google account we have our profile that we are currently logged in, and you need to remember that on the selected account the backup will be made and stored. So in the future, if you want to restore your backup, you will need to be logged in into the same Google account in the settings of your device. I'm gonna show you. Simply open up your settings, scroll down, and in here under the Google you will need to have to be logged in into that account to restore your chats. So remember about it. Also, if you want, you can simply click on add account, and you can in here simply add another account by typing your second email in this bar, or also you can create another one account right in here. Alright, now below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off, just like that. But we have other options such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. For example, as you select the weekly mode, basically that means that the backup will be made automatically each week, and I don't need to do this manually. So it's pretty convenient and comfortable feature, and I suggest you should use you should select some of those options for you. Below we have a feature to include the videos. It will also be defaultly disabled, but if you enable it, all of your videos will be backed also. You can see below that 1 megabyte will be backed. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on right here, you can basically create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Alright, and once everything is selected, all you need to do now is to tap on that green button, backup. Now the process will start. It shouldn't take much time because in my case I don't have that many messages, but of course it depends on how many messages you are backupping. Alright, now you can see above the button that the last backup was made like 2 seconds ago, and below we also have its size. Alright, and that's the whole process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.